In this video, I'm going to show you how to add MetaMask to Koinly. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to Wallets here inside your dashboard, and then you want to click on Add Wallet/Exchange. When you do that, you want to search for MetaMask. So I'm just going to type in MetaMask. There we go. And you want to simply click on it. It's the first one on the list. And then you have two options. You could go and import from file. You could, of course, create without data or set up auto sync. Now, auto sync is the most easy and quick option. So that's the one we're going to choose here. And then from here, you first have to select your blockchains, which you basically were working with. So if I open up my MetaMask over here, as you can see, there's a bunch of different blockchains. If I go to receive here, there's a bunch of different ones. And let's say you had some trading going on the Ethereum blockchain, and of course on the Solana one as well. Let's say that's going to be the example. I'm going to go and click on where it says paste address or search. I'm going to first select Ethereum, and then I'm going to have to basically put in the public key, and then I'm going to have to select Solana as well, and then that one as well, okay? Now, of course, you can do as many of these as are relevant to you. I'm just going to do these two as an example. And then you want to go to MetaMask. You want to click on receive because you'll need the receiving wallet. First, we're going to need Ethereum in my case. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it in here like that. And then the second one I'm going to do is actually the Solana one. So here, Solana, copy my receiving address, and then I'm going to do like this. There we go. And I'm going to click on import. Now, when you do this, it's basically going to get imported under wallets. You can now see it's imported, and it just still says syncing over here and up here as well. And whenever it's done, it's going to sync all your transactions, and you'll be able to see how many there are. And then, of course, they'll be added inside your transactions over here at the top as well. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.